welcome back to Really Tired Life. It is a new day, so may I drop some Kingston vlog right now because I'm in the town and I am currently in an Airbnb that we rented because we're here for 5 days, and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour, not a room tour but an apartment tour. Yeah, so we're here for 5 days to visit family and get a little entertainment, maybe go on party or a thing and thing down here. And so I'm gonna vlog about it and take you guys along with me. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep watching Really Tired Life vlog. So let's get into this room tour. Oh, and the girls went to another Airbnb to stay at, so it's just me and Luke up in this bitch right here. Okay, excuse my language, I'm speaking real extra. Anyways, it's just me and Luke here, so let me give you guys a room tour. Okay guys, so here we are. It is a beautiful space, beautiful, very comfortable, very clean, you know, it nice. God no, me not even stay in here yet, but me feel comfortable in here, which is nice. So this is the living room area. Step on the scale because since me come here, me gain weight. What that say? 107. Oh my god, I gained so much weight. That's okay, it's good weight. I love it. In here we have the bathroom. Nice sink, nice and clean, because that's important to me that it's nice and clean in the bathroom, especially the toilet and the shower. So very nice, very, very nice. I like the look. It is exactly what it says when you book it. It looks exactly like the pictures. So welcome to Really Tired Life, Kingston vlog. Let's have a good time here, you know. Let's enjoy ourselves. Let's go to a party. Let's go to some nice restaurant and let's live it up, because we out here to live our best life as of this moment. Anyways, people, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.
You want orange juice?